Let me start over here and try to show them.
Okay.
I take my saw, my table saw, and I take 1x6s, 2x6s.
Okay.
I put them on my saw, rip them, and I wind up with 1x6.
Okay.
Okay? I take these. Once I get them ripped down, I rip them down further, and I make these, which I just strip it. Then I set my saw blade. See this cut? Then I make that cut
Okay.
on both ends. Then when that's done, then I take these and I set it to whatever I need. I set my blade.
Okay. So you're cutting a notch out.
Yeah, I set the blade. So right there. Then I take this and so then I wind up with this.
Okay.
All
How
right?
do you get the cut down the middle? Same way? You just
Yeah,
set your blade
and-
low?
And I make my blade to right there, and I make my cut.
Okay.
So that's this. All right, then I come over here, then I take these, and I make these cuts, these little pieces here.
Okay.
Then I make these and drill the holes.
Okay.
I'll stack them like 4 deep, put them down like this and hold them, take my drill, pop the hole.
So those are the side pieces.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Then I come back and put them together and nail them with my gun.
Okay.
The holes, I run this through it,
What is that? Fishing string?
fishing string. Now, this one's not complete. Before this one winds up looking like this, I run the string, then I take the wax in that groove right there, and I push the wax down in it. Now, I don't have any.
And the wax is about this big, huh?
Yeah.
And it's for them to start.
And then when the bees come in, they start building from the wax down. They'll hit this string, and it keeps it straight instead of being everywhere. And usually, once I set my saw up, I've cut out enough of these to make 18 or 20 at a time.
Okay.
And the same thing with these.
And that's the bottom
Yeah, and the
pieces.
same thing with these.
And that's the side pieces. Okay.
And I can sit right here.
So
We
why are these different sizes then?
This is where the queen is.
Okay.
This
so
is
that's
the brood
of
box.
The bottom of
Yeah,
the
the brood, this is where she lays her eggs, the
Okay.
brood box. Now, this is the honey keeper. This is gonna be pure honey.
Oh, and that's on the top box.
Yeah.
And then you have in between the bottom and the top,
Like the extruder.
you have an extruder, which
Yeah.
is
And
only
that-
the worker bees can fit through it. So the
That's right.
queen can't get to the top to lay eggs.
That's right.
So this will be at the top to where the queen can't reach. So this isn't any eggs, it's only producing honey.
That's right. And the thing is, honey is so heavy. You could lift a box with 10 of these, but it's heavy.
Okay.
Now, you can take this little box with 10 of these and handle it with a little bit of ease.
Okay.
So that pretty well keeps me busy. The lumber was free. It takes time to split it, adjust it, and all this, but once you do that,
Yeah.
it's free. I mean, and I'm retired, so it don't make any difference.
Do you want to say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching Alley Bug and Pawpaw.